Once your report's field definitions are in place, you can use Report Verify to have Monarch Swarm validate whether all fields have been properly defined. This is done by scanning the report for any instances where a character falls right next to the field boundary and if field values match the field's data type. Let's try that with this report showing basic employee information. We see the employee name, address, birth date, salary, etc. You can use auto-define or manually define the fields yourself. And with the fields in place, we can now run Report Verify. Swarm displays a message saying that a non-blank character is detected next to the right boundary of the address field. To capture the entire field, we can drag the outline, or use the Adjust Left and Adjust Right buttons. Then click Continue to proceed with the verification. This time Swarm finds that there is an invalid birth date. February 29, 1957 is not a valid date because 1957 is not a leap year. We can choose to ignore this and then prep the birth date values later after the Report Verify process. We can do that using Ignore All. This will disregard any succeeding issues similar to this last one. With that, the Report Verify operation is finished. Now, Swarm has a Reset Ignore Rules option that will disregard issues that were flagged when we used the Ignore All function. Let's try Reset Ignore Rules now. And so when we click on Start Over, the issue with this birth date is detected again. As we see, Start Over performed the Report Verify process once again from the start of the report. We have another button to explore. Adjust All Fields. To see how that works, notice that for this report, Report Verify detects a few similar issues. First, the department is found to have a non-blank character at the right of the boundary. Let's just click Continue for now. A similar issue is found with the salary field. A non-blank character is on the right boundary as well. Now let's click on Start Over. And this time, let's try the Adjust All Fields function. This tells Swarm to automatically tweak all definitions to address the current issue that has been detected, which right now is having a non-blank character at the right of the field boundary. Sure enough, Swarm no longer flagged the salary field and has now moved on to the issue with the birth date. When the verification process is complete, we can then proceed with preparing, transforming, and sharing our data using Monarch Swarm.